Good morning students. In this video we discuss about the third Maurya Samrat Ashoka. According to Buddhist text, Ashoka ascended the throne by killing his 99 brothers except the youngest brother Tisa. A minister of Bindusara named Radhagupta helped him in this fratricide war. He formally crowned in 269 BC and he ruled up to 232 BC. After 9 years of his coronation, he fought the Great Kalinga War in 261 BC with King of Kalinga on the bank of river Daya. At that time, who was the king of Kalinga have not any significant evidence, but in some book, the king of Kalinga at that time was Nandaraj. The reason of attack Ashoka to Kalinga to get elephant, and the sources we know about it was elephant inscription by Kharavela, who is the ruler of Chedi dynasty. Soon after the victory of Kalinga war, he became a Buddhist and preached Buddhism. Upagupta, who converted Ashoka to Buddhism. Ashoka sent his son and daughter to Ceylon or Sri Lanka and Burma to spread Buddhism. Let's know about his personal life. Ashoka's first wife was Princess of Ujjaini. Her name was Mahadevi. They had a son named Mohendra and had a daughter named Sanghamitra. His second wife was Princess of Kalinga and her name was Karubhaki, and they had a son named Krunal. Ashoka is called as Buddhasakya or Chandasoka for his fratricide war, and after converted to Buddhism he was called as Dharmasoka. For his generous work he was called as Devanpriya Priyadarshi. Now we know about his administration. Ashoka gave the royal order through Rog Edict, it means in Odia Shilalekha, and through Pillar Edict, it means Stambhalekha. The Rog Edict 1 mention about all men are my children. Then the Kalinga war mentioned in Rog Edict XIII. In 7th Pillar Edict mention about Dhamma Mahamantra for spreading of Buddhism. He employed a class of officials called as Rajuka for his administration, and their responsibility mentioned in Pillar Edict V. Now we know two major visits of Ashoka. In his 10th year of rule, Ashoka visited to Goya, and in his 20 years of rule, he visited to Lumbini and made it tax-free and established Rumini Dei pillar at Lumbini. Let's know some famous monument built during Ashoka's reign. He built the famous Sanchi Stupa in Madhya Pradesh, Dhamek Stupa in Uttar Pradesh, Shanti Stupa in Karnataka, Mohabodhi Temple in Bihar, and the Taxila University in Pakistan. The four-lion capital of Ashoka was found at Sarnath. Then, after the decline of Ashoka, then the next Maurya king was Dasarath, and he was ruled from 232 BC to 224 BC. Then the next king was Samprati, and he was ruled from 224 BC to 215 BC. After him, Salisuka was the king, and he was ruled from 215 BC to 202 BC. After him, Devavarman was the king, and he was ruled from 202 BC to 195 BC. Then the next king was Satadhanban, and he was ruled from 195 BC to 187 BC. Then the last king of Maurya dynasty was Brihadartha, and he was ruled from 187 BC to 185 BC, and he was killed by Pushamitra Shunga, who was the commander-in-chief or Senapati of Brihadartha. And Pushamitra Shunga established Shunga dynasty in 185 BC in Magadha. Then in next video we will discuss about some important multiple choice question from Maurya Empire. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.